How to bump a Facebook Messenger message. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app from your phone Play Store. Just you have to install it and open in your Android. Now I am going to bump a chat of any person. You can see the desktop of the Messenger, different options like chats, calls, people, and the stories. Just you have to click on the chats, and that chats will appear in front of you. After looking to the chat box, you have to select any of the person which you want to bump your messages. Just you have to open the chat. Bump means that message will be appear duplicated message. Just you have to bump a message here. You have to select any of the message which you want to creation the bump of that message. Before bumping that message, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Just we have to hold on the message which you want to bump on. Click on bump. Bump means the message will be duplicated. You can see I am again bumping this message. It is appear again and again. It means that message will be duplicated. This procedure is for both Android as well as on iPhone. Just make sure watch the complete video. Thanks. You can see in this way you can bump message on Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.